Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs with butter. Let's start by gathering our ingredients and equipment. For a delicious serving, you'll want 2 to 3 large eggs per person. The secret to rich, creamy eggs is butter, so aim for about 1 tablespoon for every 2 eggs. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan ready, as this will make all the difference in achieving that perfect texture. Now, let's prepare our eggs. Crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently. You want the yolks and whites to be just combined, but avoid over-whisking, as too much air can make the eggs foamy. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stove and heat it over a medium-low setting. This gentle heat is crucial for preventing overcooking and achieving a soft, custardy texture. Once your pan is warm, add the butter and let it melt until it's foamy and fragrant. Then, pour your whisked eggs into the pan. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to set slightly. Now, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this process slowly. The key to perfectly creamy scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat when they are still slightly wet and glossy. They will continue to cook for a few seconds off the heat, reaching that ideal consistency. Continue folding them gently for about 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, season your delicious scrambled eggs with salt and freshly ground pepper right before serving. Enjoy your perfect breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.